Hello friends, welcome back to Linux Server series. This is the third part of the Linux file system. Please watch part 1 and part 2 of Linux file system before watching this video. /run represent application state files. The /run directory is fairly new and gives application a standard place to store files they require like sockets and process IDs. These files can't be stored in /tmp because files in /tmp may be deleted. You can see here the folder contained in /run directory. /sbin directory represent system binary file in Linux file system. The /sbin directory is similar to the /bin directory. It contains essential binaries that are generally intended to be run by the root user for system administration. These are executables used for system administration. In sbin directory, you can see a lot of binary files are present. /clinux represent clinux virtual file system in Linux file system. If your Linux distribution uses clinux for security, the /clinux directory contains special files used by clinux. /srv directory represents service data in Linux file system. The /srv directory contains data for services provided by the system. /sys directory represents sysfs file system in Linux file system. The sysfs file system is mounted on /sys directory. Sysfs is used by programs such as udev to access device and device driver information. The creation of sysfs helped clean up the proc file system because much of the hardware information has been moved from proc to sysfs. You can see in sys directory blog, bus, class, dev, devices, firmware, fs, and many other folders are present here. Next directory is /tmp directory, which represent temporary files in Linux file system. Applications store temporary files in the /tmp directory used by the operating system and many programs to store temporary files. Users may also store files here temporarily. Note that files stored here may be deleted at any time without prior notice. You can see temporary files are stored in temp directory. /usr represent user binaries and read-only data in Linux file system. These are shareable read-only files, including executable binaries and libraries, man files, and other types of documentation. The /usr/local directory is where locally compiled application installed to by default. You can see here in USR directory, bin, etc, games, include, share folder are present here. /var directory represent variable data files in Linux file system. Variable data files are stored here. This can be include files like log files, MySQL, and other database files, web server data files, email inboxes, and much more. DB, log, run, www, tmp, and many other files are present here in var directory. Thanks for watching video. Hit bell icon to get new videos.